Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your Microsoft Store is displaying a blank or a white screen upon launching. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset, best match, should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. And then hopefully I would have been able to resolve the problem. So if that didn't work, we can try opening up the search menu and type in CMD, best match. Should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to type in SFC and then a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that is finished, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.